Hey, what's up guys? I'm James, also known as Just Some Nerd, and today we're doing something a little bit different. This past weekend I did a really cool photo shoot with some Star Wars cosplayers. We had a replica of the speeder bikes from the indoor scene from Return of the Jedi, and we took that out in the woods and we did a really cool shoot. It looked a lot like it did in the movie. So what I'm going to do today is edit one of those photos and do some Photoshop work. I have this reference photo here from the movie, and this is what we're going to kind of try and replicate.
Alright guys, so here are the two images that we're going to be working with. First I'm going to bring them into Photoshop Raw and just do some basic levels editing to them. I'm just going to hit auto and that'll be good enough for now. Bring the other image in and do the same thing. And now we're just going to open them up into regular Photoshop and place one on top of the other. And now we're going to use the patch tool to remove the support that held the bike up. And we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other image. Once those are both removed, we're going to duplicate both layers. Alright, we're going to zoom in here, and using the pen tool I'm going to start making a selection around the bike. And I'm just going to let this play for a bit so you guys can watch how I did this.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
Okay guys, so that's the way I've been editing these motion blur photos. There's actually a little bit different technique that you would want to do on an image like this one, because in this image it looks like the speeder is kind of coming towards us rather than the one that we were working on is going left to right. So there's actually a different blur tool that I use for that one, and maybe I'll make another video explaining that next time. If you guys are interested in how the speeder bike was built, I have a video interviewing Tom who built the bike, and I will have a link to that in the description of this video, so you can check that out too. If you guys enjoyed this Photoshop tutorial and would like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. What kind of cosplay related Photoshop things would you like to see? Maybe like how to do the particle beam from the Ghostbusters Proton Pack, something like that I think would be really cool. Remember to like and subscribe and follow me on social media so you can stay up to date when I have new things coming out. And that about wraps it up today, so I'll see you guys next time.